नमस्कार बच्चों। आज का हमारा टॉपिक एमएस एक्सेल के बारे में। ये सामने आपकी स्क्रीन पे दिए हुए टॉपिक्स हैं जो आपने 27 अप्रैल और 28 अप्रैल 2 दिन में कंप्लीट करना है। सबसे पहला टॉपिक जो ये है कि हाउ कैन वी ऐड नंबर्स, टेक्स्ट और डेट एंड टाइम इन एमएस एक्सेल। सेकंड, वी विल लर्न सीरीज यूजिंग ऑटोफिल. Third, editing and formatting a worksheet, including changing color, size, and font. Fourth is alignment of a text, and then cell borders. How can we add borders to a cell, and how can we add colors to a cell? After that, there is one similar topic as we have studied in MS Word, that is Format Painter, and in the last, inserting and deleting a cells. So first of all, we will start with entering the numbers. In Excel, we can add we can add text and numbers in a cell. And for that, what are the steps? First, I will show you by practical. First of all, open MS Excel in your computer. So this is the window of MS Excel. As you can all see, the upper section of this workbook is ribbon. In ribbon there are many options like home button, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. These can help us by creating our workbook with many options. So first of all, we were trying to enter text and cell in a MS Excel workbook. First point is, on the worksheet click a cell. So we will click any cell. Let us suppose we clicked E5. That is also the address of this cell, that is E5. You can also find it in the name box written here, E5. So we have selected cell E5. So this was our first step, that on the worksheet we have to click a cell where we want to add text or number in a cell. Second point is, type the numbers or text that you want to enter and then press enter or tab. So we will type any number or text in the selected cells. Suppose I will write my name, DHEERAJ. So by this we have added a text in E5 cell. Again I am going to select cell G8, and in this I will type a number. Let us suppose I am typing my phone number. See, so by this, in this way we can add text and numbers in an MS Excel. So this was the concept, how can we add text or number in a cell. Type the numbers. Second point, in text second point we have learned that we can type the numbers or text simply by clicking the cell and then type and start typing. Okay, but there is also one note: to enter the data on a line within a cell, enter a line break by pressing Alt plus enter. It means if we want to write some more text in text Dheeraj, if I suppose to add my surname also, but in the next line, and in E5 cell. So first of all I have to double click the cell to edit a cell, see, and after that we will select alt plus enter on keyboard, and as you see the cursor will automatically goes to the next line, and here I am writing my surname. So you have learned that how can we add text or numbers in a cell, and how can we add the text to the new line in the same cell. So in this way we can add text or numbers in a cell in MS Excel. Hope you all understand the concept. Thank you.